Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial video for you to show you how that you can use Pixton to create our fairy tales assessment that we will be doing for this unit. The first thing that you're going to do after you have created your Pixton account is go into the top left corner and click on the My Comics button. After you've clicked on this My Comics button, it'll pop up with any comics that you already have in progress, as well as the Create New button. So you'll go ahead and hit the Create New button, and then you'll go down to the English Language Arts box. After you've done that, it'll come up with a bunch of different presets that pertain to English Language Arts. You can either start off by using one of these different presets, or you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit Create from Scratch. After you've hit Create from Scratch, it'll give you a bunch of different layouts that you can choose to create your fairy tale with. The one that I'll be using in this video is the comic strip because I think that it works really well with what we're trying to do. So after you've selected that, you'll either do the advanced mode or basic mode. For this tutorial video, and what I would recommend using for your project is the basic mode. So after you've selected that, it'll come up with the different backgrounds that you can choose from, the different places that you would like to have your fairy tale take place. So for this video, we will go ahead and choose the office area. After you've chosen the office area, it'll pop up with all the different backgrounds that you can choose to have that pertain to the office theme that you're going for. So we'll click on the first one for now, and then you'll select the number of characters that you would like to be in your fairy tale unit. You can change this number, so it's not super important to select exactly what you want now. Just to get past the screen, go ahead and select one of the options though. Same thing with the characters. You can change your characters quite drastically as you're editing your fairy tale. So just select any of the presets for now and don't worry too much about who you're choosing because like I said, you will be able to change it and customize it to exactly what you want when you actually get into making the fairy tale. Alright, so after you've selected those things, it'll pop up with your characters in the background that you have chosen. If you would like to change either the characters or add a character, go over to the Add Characters button, and then you can search through all the different characters that they have, either by specific keyword or just going to preset characters and scrolling through those options. Same thing with the background. If you go to Add Background, and if you'd like to change the background that you currently have, you can either search keywords for the things that you would like, or you can just scroll through the many options that they have available on the preset screen. Alright, and then you just click anywhere on the screen to exit out of either of those. Okay, so you'll notice that with each of your characters you'll have a dialog box. With the dialog box you can add any words or comments that you want your characters to make on that specific screen. So for this, we'll just do something simple, and then I'll show you what you can do with these dialog boxes. So after you've added the comments, you can actually double-click and drag the dialog box to wherever you would like it to appear on the screen. This works with both of the characters that you have. And with your characters, you can do the same thing. You can have your characters, by double-clicking, move wherever you would like them to. After you've clicked on a character, you'll notice that down in the bottom of the screen, there comes up with different poses and things that you can select for your character. So for now he's sitting, but if you'd like for him to be standing up, then you can click whatever position you'd like for him to be in. Same thing with the facial expressions. There's so many different facial expressions that you can choose from and have your character have in that particular screen. So we can do scared, and as you can see, the guy's face actually switched to scared. So that works with both your characters. If you'd like to change the skin color, or anything else about them, it's all right there for you to do. If you'd like to add another screen, you'll just hit the Add Panel button to the right of the current screen that you have. And then the exact same screen will pop up copied over here, and you will then be able to once again change it however you would like. You're also with the screen able to edit the background of this particular screen by clicking on Add Background and then choosing whatever one you would like. And it'll just switch your characters around to whatever the preset is. So that's the basic introduction to it. After you've finished up with whatever you're creating, be sure to title your creation For this one, I'll just title it Title. And then you will just hit the green Save Panel button here, and that'll save that panel. And after that, you'll scroll down and hit Save and Continue. Make sure your title's right, your language is right, and all those things. Hit Save and Continue. And then there you have it. You have your completed fairy tale brought up. And if you'd like to share that with me, which I will have you do, you're going to actually hit the email button. And then from the email button, you'll be able to type in whoever you'd like to email it to, which would be me. You'll send it to me, and then I will get those graded for you. Make sure that as you complete this assignment, you're following all the guidelines that were given to you in the assignment description. All right. Thank you so much.